Welcome, everyone. Got a new article up over here. Let's go over it. NASA spacecraft spots a monster black hole bursting with X rays, releasing 100 times more energy than we have seen elsewhere. This is by Robert Lee. This pushes our models to their limits and challenges our existing ideas about how these X ray flashes are being generated. The previous inactive supermassive black hole at the heart of our galaxy, SDSS 1335 plus 0728, located about 300 million light years away from us, was seen erupting with the longest and the most powerful X-ray blast ever seen from such a cosmic titan. This active phase marks the start of a supermassive black hole devouring matter around it and erupting with short-lived flaring events called QPEs. The black hole, which has remained quiet for decades, is responsible for a region at the heart of our galaxy called the Active Galactic Nucleus, AGN. The team has dubbed this AGN Ansky, I think. The awakening of Ansky was first detected in late 2019, alerting astronomers who followed up on its manifestation with NASA's Swift X-ray Space Telescope. By 2024, they begin to see that the black hole powering Ansky erupting with flares at a fairly regular intervals. The bursts of X-rays from Ansky are 10 times longer and 10 times more luminous than what we have seen from a typical QPE. MIT. Each of these eruptions is released 100 times more energy than we have ever seen elsewhere. Let's get observed over. Ansky's eruptions also show the longest Candace ever observed of about 4.5 days. This pushes our models, blah, blah, blah. Let's see down here. Let's get down to it. Possible from the European Space Agency, NASA, blah. Doesn't really matter to us. For QPEs, we are still at the point of where we have more models than data, and we need to have more observations to understand what is happening. That's true. We're really just starting to see this. Okay, so let's go on to the other articles that I found recently, back in 2024, where this is a massive black hole may be waking up in a nearby galaxy. This is the 24 that they were talking about. Here's some interesting, beautiful pictures of them watching this. Has been sleeping for at least the past 2 decades. The galaxy, which resides in the same one. Sparked in 2019, has never been observed before. So this is, you can see here, and then I also have the paper right here, The Awakening of the Black Hole, which I'll post in the bottom for homework. So if you guys want to see any of that. So I just thought this was interesting because we're able to see this black hole and observe this black hole at the center of our galaxy, which is almost like a perfect thing for us just to be to evolve to a higher species and whatnot. We are able to watch this, witness this, observe this, and collect data on this so it can help us in the future as we travel to stars. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'll see y'all later. Bye.